And then come to here, hold on to the rope. Long step down.
This is going to be tricky for some people, I think.
Now put your stick stuck on the land, on the floor. Put your stick beside you. Now put your stick beside you.
But
Yeah.
you want to be using your stick.
Yeah. And it walk straight on the rock. Sit down. Yeah. One more big tree when you look straight there.
Right, babe. What is that? It's just a little one. It's little carrot. You get used to being sticking this out. It's the leaves. They sit there. Brilliant.
One more big tree there. Is a big tree. Yeah. Like a big rock.
Just go in the shelves. That's what I was wondering about.
Stick my face on the side.
This tree is enormous. Just look at this. What sort of tree was it?
That is a false hemp tree.
False hemp tree.
False hemp.
Just look at the size of that.
Big palm, jungle palm. I like the palm tree.
And jungle palm as well beside it. But just look at the size of that tree.
Oh.
This is a giant of a tree. Look at the roots. Wow. Few hundred years old?
You say about that? Yeah, about 200 years.
200 years. 200
old.
years.
This one look bigger than the one we saw, yeah?
Yes.
The first one we saw. It look like this.
Oh yeah, when you look at all the roots. Yeah.
But everyone, the tree here, the one we are seeing, is not the biggest tree in the forest around here, okay? The biggest tree in the forest around here is a family of Dipterocarpaceae. You know that family? The tree, when it got the flower, they got two wings. When you throw them, they come down like helicopter. I think called sycamore. I don't know.
Sycamore.
In that family, yeah, they said that one. I saw at the lake, very big one, straight from the bottom part, straight up. But 12 people stand around. But it's Dipterocarp, that is the one for hardwood tree, good wood for made construction furniture. This one just big in the bottom part, up there very slim. Now going down. So try to hold on to the tree or the rock around. Sit on the rock. Come between two rocks. You want some stick or no?
No, it's okay. I'm filming, so. I'll buy for the jungle for now.